Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 36. We are learning unit 4 part 3 files concepts. Let's check the syllabus once again. Persistence, reading and writing, format operator, file name and paths, catching exceptions, databases, pickling, pipes and writing modules. In previous 3 lectures, total 7 topics are completed: persistence, reading and writing, format operator, how to access the files using paths, what are the catching exceptions, how to use databases using dictionaries, and finally, what is the advantage of pickling. In today's lecture, we will learn 2 topics: pipes and writing modules. Let's get into the today's lecture. First one, pipes. What is meant by pipes? It's a linking. So one operation is linked with another one. So like that. So first coming to the command line interface, right? So most operating systems provides command line interface. That means it is called shell program. By using shell, we can launch the applications, any applications, right? So here by using Python, we can launch any programs. Not only Linux programs, we can launch any program by using Python with the help of pipe, right? So let's check one example. In Unix, in Linux programming, this is for display the string, right? So command equal to ls hyphen l, display the line, right? So fp equal to os module. We need to import os module dot p open. So p open, not open, p open of what is the variable here? cmd, that is will be given. So this is Linux command, this is Python command. So both are combined, that is called pipe, right? So here that is the point. So Unix, this is a normally display the contents of current directory ls-l, right? So by using os.popen, so we can print the files. So coming to the another one, res equal to fb.read. So we are reading the files, right? So here stat equal to fb.close. Close means closing the file. So when we print stat, it will print none. So if you get none means the file is ended normally without errors, right? So that's the concept of pipes. Next, coming to the writing modules. Up to now, we are importing the inbuilt modules, but in Python, we will create the modules, right? So how to create the modules, right? For suppose create wc.py file. So like this. So define line count file name count equal to 0. Open the file name count and return count. So this is the code finally. So you are importing this wc. This is wc.py. You are importing this file as a module. So import wc dot, what is the function here? Line count of, give the file name. Not only this file name, any file name you can give add dot py, right? So what is the main purpose here? You are counting the lines, right? So that's the concept of writing modules. That's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.